everyone, welcome to my channel Ghar Se Guru Ki. Whenever you eat a meal, have you ever thanked a plant? No matter if you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, whatever you eat comes directly or indirectly from because it's just plants, some cyanobacteria and algae that can produce food. Means, in this word, these are the producers. Rest, all other living organisms feed directly or indirectly on the food produced by them through the process of photosynthesis. And the word photosynthesis is made by putting two words together. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. It is a process wherein light energy converts into chemical energy. Photosynthesis is a process which is source of necessary energy for life on earth. The plants, algae and cyanobacteria that perform photosynthesis are called photoautotrophs. Process of photosynthesis starts when light energy or sunlight is absorbed by green chlorophyll pigment which is already present in green leaves. Now, you must be thinking, what happens to other plants that have leaves in other than green color, and how do they make their own food? So, in fact, plant has three primary classes of pigments. Yes, and they are chlorophyll, anthocyanins and carotenoids. And you will be amazed to know that some plants with purple, red or yellow leaves also have chlorophyll but in lesser amount. Rather, the amount of other pigments like carotenoids and anthocyanin is more in them, which makes their leaves look non-green. Other than this, you must have seen some plants which have white leaves. This white color of leaves is because of the reflection of light from leaves at a particular angle which makes them appear white, and it makes us feel as if there is no chlorophyll, but it is very much there for the plant to make food. Now, there are some other plants that are called parasitic plants. They cannot make their own food as they do not have chlorophyll at all. So, they usually absorb food from other plants, dead animals or stale food. So, that was about chlorophyll. Now, let's get back to our original topic of how the process of photosynthesis takes place. A plant need water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and minerals to make its food. Water it collects through its roots, and the minerals like nitrogen, iron, phosphorus, magnesium are provided to the plant by soil. Light it gets from sunlight, and carbon dioxide it takes from the environment. During daytime, when chlorophyll present in green leaves absorbs sunlight, the tiny pores in them called stomata intake carbon dioxide from the environment. And with the help of this light energy and carbon dioxide, leaves make food for the plant. In this process, roots also help leaves by supplying necessary minerals and water from the soil. This way, a plant makes its own food, and this food is stored in the plant in form of glucose. Plants take necessary nourishment from glucose, and the extra glucose left is stored in form of starch for later use. During the process of making food, the tiny pores called stomata that stored carbon dioxide earlier now releases oxygen. Now let's talk about xerophytic plants or desert plants, and let us know how do they make their food as they do not have plenty of water. So, xerophytic plants, also called desert plants, complete the process of photosynthesis in two parts. As the stomata cannot stay open during day to avoid loss of water due to extreme heat, it opens during night and absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment. With the help of carbon dioxide and water present in the plant, it makes an intermediate product, and during daytime this intermediate product that was produced with the help of water and carbon dioxide reacts with sunlight and performs photosynthesis. So that's how even a tiny plant that looks very fragile performs the function of photosynthesis and releases oxygen for rest of the living beings to be able to live. So that's all from Ghar Ka Gurukul today. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.